Welcome to Cooking with Chanelle. I'm Chanelle. Let's get cooking. Today I'm preparing sheet pan vegetables, one of my favorite singular recipes designed to help you during and after your 8-day jumpstart. You can find this and 19 other recipes in the ebook on the Jumpstart resource page. Instead of doing a step-by-step, we're going to cover the food's functionality. For full recipe instructions, head over to our Singular blog. Now, I know a lot of times we see healthy recipes that look delicious, but they're super complicated or very time-consuming. This one sheet vegetable recipe is quick, simple, and only requires one pan to wash after. It's a win-win. Here's why vegetables should be the main event of your meal instead of pushed to the side as a bargaining chip for dessert. A diet rich in vegetables can lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of heart disease, lower risk of eye and digestive problems. They have a low glycemic impact, preventing blood sugar spikes that can increase hunger and consequently weight gain. Asparagus is full of inulin, a prebiotic which promotes healthy gut bacteria. Now, when people think of vitamin C, they usually think of citrus fruits, but just half a cup of broccoli provides 84% of the recommended daily intake. You have quercetin extracted from onions, and they are a powerful way to fight bacteria. Veggies are low in calories while being high in body-benefiting compounds. In addition to balanced meals, you can take Action to fill in any nutritional gaps. While Action is a multivitamin, it's also a multi-nutrient with essential minerals and phytonutrients. You can supplement your meals for full coverage. Now let's talk about that turkey sausage. You may be thinking, is there really such a thing as healthy sausage? And the answer is yes. Sausage can add a lot of flavor and protein to your meal. Here are some tips when picking your sausage. You want less than 450 milligrams of sodium, and you want it to have over 90% of meat. That means less fillers and binders. Let's also look for less than 8% saturated fats. Visit the blog for the recipe, make it yourself, and don't forget to tag us. Until next time, stay delicious.